Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a very simple cookie recipe for Sandies. These are basically a shortbread with nuts, so let's get started.
Pretty simple ingredients. We need 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, a 1/4 cup or 50 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 2 1/4 cup or 280 grams of flour, 1 cup or 150 grams of chopped nuts. I'm using hazelnuts today. 1 cup or 125 grams of powdered sugar. In a large mixing bowl, cream the butter. Add the sugar and cream together. Cream in vanilla. Add the flour and beat. It will get very dry at first, but as you continue to beat, it will form into a dough. Fold in the nuts. If you're having a hard time folding, you can also knead them into the dough. Then roll the dough into a log. And cut into cookies about a 1/2 inch thick. These don't spread very much, so you can put the cookies quite close together on the lined cookie sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the cookies just start to brown a bit on the edges. Allow the cookies to cool and lightly toss in powdered sugar. We do this because the dough only has a little bit of sugar in it. They really need the extra layer of powdered sugar. These cookies are crispy and buttery. They're not very sweet, and the nuts add a little bit extra crunch. I hope you liked the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.